Good morning, kindergartners, and happy Friday. So today your math must do is you're going to play Bug Bingo, which is a super fun activity. So what you're going to need are these cards. You're going to cut them out and store them in an envelope so you can play them again later. And you're going to also need, this is, by the way, in your Home Connection workbook. And it is, the directions are on page 17, and then the game boards are on page 21. So you're going to have to cut those two out as well. You can play with a grown-up, you can play with a sibling, your brother or your sister. But what you're going to do is cut these out, and then you take turns picking out a bug card. So you have all your bug cards turned over in a pile, and you take turns with whoever you're playing with. You ask the questions: how many bugs are on the card, and how did you count them? Start by doing it that way, because we've been practicing how we know when that top row of the 10 frame is full that there's 5. So hopefully they're starting to know right away that that's 5, and then they maybe can count on from 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you could ask them, is there another way to count them? And then you could also prompt them every once in a while on how many more do you need to make 10. The idea that how many full boxes, how many empty boxes, and just reaffirming that this is actually a 10 frame. And then once you know that that is, like if I drew this card and I know it's 8, and then this is my, let me find my bingo card. Oh, here it is. So if this is my bingo card, I have my cubes. Make sure you get your cubes out too. One person will have one color, the other person can have the other. And do I have an 8? Yes, I do, so I would cover it. The way that you win bingo is if you have 3 in a row. So if I got the 9 and the 4, I would say bingo, and then I would win. Or you can also get a diagonal pattern. We've been practicing that on our calendar. So the diagonal pattern, straight up and down in the column or across in the row. You have to have 3 in a row to win. Okay, I hope you enjoy this game, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. So proud of how you did as kindergartners this week, and I can't wait to see you on Monday or Thursday, whichever it is.